Hello everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and I am in front of Project L405. We are here at Rove's Raw event at Wintergreen Mountain Resort. It's a little bit foggy. I'm told the fog's going to clear up, but either way, we're going to hit the trails and test out Project L405. So if you're new to the channel here, this is what we've got going on so far. We've done a hidden winch. We've upgraded the suspension, upsized the tires, put rock sliders on it, and installed an air compressor. So I'm looking forward to testing out the sliders first and foremost. Hopefully I'm a good enough driver to not have to use the winch, so we're definitely going to be using the winch. I do want to take care of the tires. We went with a Goodyear Duratrack. It's excellent on road. It's quiet because we want to keep that Range Rover comfort level as high as we can, but the sidewalls are a little bit sketchy. So we got to watch out for jagged rocks out there. But aside from that, they provide excellent traction. I know what you're saying. Cue the intro, buddy. Let's see some action. All right, hop in. Intro. Let's go. All right, we're at the top of Big Springs Hollow. I'm going to put the Range Rover in low range. I'm also going to take control of it, and I am thinking these a little bit older is going to want to be in sand mode so I get an instant throttle response. Did not put hill descent on, so that is good. We're picking the truck up. I'm going to turn off my traction control. I think I got this. Oh, paddle shifters too. We're down in first. Hold on to your hats. Is there a name for this trail? Six or thick? I cannot believe how much fog there is. There's a Defender right up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Better be careful. We're on a massive descent, and what this trail turns into is just rocky shale. You put your foot on the brake and you're surfing rocks. And I think it's going to be a great test to see how the brakes perform, how the weight transfer is handled. So really looking forward to that. It's a little bit tight, as you can see. And I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but we have Mike Boggs, absolute legend out here in Virginia. He's the one that's responsible for getting us access to these trails. He brought along a classic Defender. So if you're not into the new Range Rover, we'll get some footage of his Defender for you too. So far, Rangy is just eating up these rocks and these bumps. I have to admit, it's quite comfortable in here. See how it does on this next group of rocks as we get into that loose shell area. I'm very concerned about my sidewalls, so I'm going to pay attention to that. Well, there we have it. The Range Rover L405 survived. I want to give a special thanks to Mr. Boggs, his grandson Carter, for taking me out and showing me all the trails. Any opinions on this modern luxury?
It did great, other than the one little spot on the side.
We're not talking about the ding. We're going to keep that on the shh. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one.